If you're a care provider, a caregiver for a company, or if you're a private tutor, if you're a basketball coach, or if you provide lessons for kids, it could be swim lessons, it could be tennis lessons, baseball lessons, or singing lessons. You can start a business making 6 to 7 G's per month. 6 to 7 G's per month. If you're a job coach working for a company, care provider working for a company, and I know those jobs don't pay a lot, you can go out on your own with just a simple business license and start your own caregiving business to little to no money down. If you get on the right platforms, you can make a substantial amount of money, more than what you're making for your job. I know. I'm currently doing this right now. You got to know the proper platforms to get on to. You have care.com. Okay. Surprisingly, Nextdoor. Yes, you can get clients from Nextdoor. This may surprise a few people. Craigslist. Facebook Marketplace. I got some writing gigs, some online writing gigs from Facebook Marketplace. What's another one? Hopskipdrive. Yes, Hopskipdrive. Now, Hopskipdrive, from the jobs that I've done, primarily was with kids with special needs. And since I'm a special needs provider and a mentor and working with kids with special needs, that was right up my alley. You can use those platforms and make $6,000 to $7,000 a month. $6,000 to $7,000 a month. And if you have open space in your house or apartment, you have a 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom, you can rent rooms out to people who are looking for rooms and they have special needs and supplement your income. It could be a very, very lucrative business. I'm telling you, you can easily make $7,000 to $8,000. I know I said $7,000 to $8,000. So let's take me, for example, right? I have my coaching business that I build up. I make about $5,500 per month doing that. Then I do Hopskipdrive. I make another $1,000 a month, right? That's $6,500. I have extra space in my apartment. I rent a room out to a person that's special needs. That's over 7 G's a month. That's close to 90 grand a year. Now, you might be thinking, that's a lot of work. Not necessarily. Because remember, when you're doing sessions, you're doing 1-hour sessions. So let's take Friday, for example, right? Friday. You know how much money I made in one hour? Because I had 4 clients at one time. We all did basketball. And those clients that I had, special needs. Different levels than others. So with that 1 hour, each family pays you $30 a session. 30, 60, 90. I made $120 in 1 hour. Then earlier that day, I had another client. Made another $100. So that was, no, I made more. I made $280 that one day. Actually, no, I made more. I made $300. $300. My bad. I made $300. Because I work with like 4 clients at a time. It could be very, very lucrative to where you don't have to work at a job. Now, of course, there's other things that you have to factor in. Yes, driving. Yes, driving. Yes, you take out for taxes. Yeah, but you got to factor that in. You're going to be driving at a regular job anyways. Okay, you're going to be driving at a regular job. Okay, so let's say if I was working at a day program as a job coach with adults with special needs and disabilities, I got to drive to that job site anyways to pick up the clients. They pay you mileage, but the mileage plus the 8 hours, I still made more working privately. I still made more. So take that regular job to pay you 14, 15 bucks an hour plus mileage. You're still not going to make the amount of money you could have made working for yourself. Let's talk about Hop, Skip, Drive. Hop, Skip, Drive, I did videos on that. Literally, you're picking up a few kids, you drop them off, it takes 30 minutes. Now, actually, the whole trip is an hour and a half to an hour, so you may divide that up, you made over 30 bucks an hour. You may pick up a kid, drop them off. Literally, it takes you 15 minutes to 30 minutes. You made 20 bucks. Come on. So, I mean, of course, it's in volume, but if you know the platforms to get on, you can make between $6,000 to $8,000 a month. Care.com, Craigslist, yes, Craigslist. There's a section you can advertise in for $5 per post. It's worth it. Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, Nextdoor, that's 4. Hop, Skip, Drive, that's 5. There's other apps you can use, but those are the apps that I've used and it's benefited me. So take that into consideration. Think about it, and if you're tired of where you're working at, get on those platforms, advertise your services. It's going to take time to build up your client base. Have some fun making some money, doing something you love, all right? So with that being said, it's your boy Nate. I'm out.